Good morning, good morning. What's up, peeps? It is Sunday morning and I'm going to show you what I'm having for breakfast and I'm going to show you what I'm having for dinner. Down below will be all the links to take you right into the videos where you could have your ACKEE and SALTFIsh, your CALLALOO and all that good stuff. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it. So this is Sunday dinner and breakfast in my Jamaican kitchen.
Jamaican, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
So my ACKEE and SALTFIsh is done right there, and then I fried some plantain, so that's gonna go with breakfast. And then I'm getting my CALLALOO and stuff, but since I'm having SALTFIsh, ACKEE and SALTFIsh, I don't want to do a combination of SALTFIsh and CALLALOO, so I'm going to add some Italian sausages to it, my onions and green peppers and carrots and stuff. I'm just going to give it up a little notch. And then for dinner, it's going to be some snapper fillet and some rice. No rice and peas today. I just want plain white rice. I'm going to put a link below for that too. How to make rice, your own rice from scratch. I'm going to have some of that curry chicken, and that is the coconut. The link will be down below for that. Now I'm going to have my hot oil in there, and I'm just going to add my onions in. A little bit of black pepper. I'm not measure anything, you know, guys, but I'll put the links down below for you guys. A little bit of salt. Just a lick of it. Just make sure you have enough oil in that pot. Now I'm going to go ahead and add that sausage to it, and that's the big jumbo Italian sausage, and them taste so good. Now you want to go ahead and add your carrots in and your pepper, and just add both of them in there at the same time. You want to cook that for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so now that's been cooking for 5 minutes. The sausage is nice little toasty golden brown. The onions and the carrot is just the way I want it, because I want them softy, right? I'm going to add some of that combo seasoning in there. If you don't have combo seasoning, just add a little bit of Jamaican all-purpose seasoning to it. And then I'm going to add my CALLALOO in, and now you want to make sure you have your fire on medium heat. And that right there, my friends, is a wrap. So that is breakfast. Friends, breakfast is ready. So that is my Sunday morning breakfast on my table. Husband's breakfast. Now for my husband, he wants to have potato salad, but he don't like in potato salad with eggs in it, so I have a way that I make it for him, and he loves it this way, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So all I did was just use whatever kind of potato that you like. That's number one. There's no special kind of potato. Any potato where you like to make your potato salad, that's it. So that's my potato. I'm going to boil it up nice and tender. And then what I did, you could use any kind of veggies that you want to use. This is carrot and string beans and corn. You could use whatever, and little beans, right? So use whatever you want to make it. So you want to boil that up together, and then you get you some onions, and you want to make sure that you chop up them onions like really small, to the point where you can't hardly see it, and then you dunk it in there. You're going to add a teaspoon of granulated sugar, and then to substitute the eggs, I'm going to add applesauce. So I add 1 tablespoon of applesauce, half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of parsley, dried parsley, and if you have fresh parsley, use that. And Now this is my little herb container. I'm gonna have all kinds of herbs in it, so use whatever herb that you want to put in there. This is rosemary and oregano and Italian spice, mixed herb and basil. So just go with whatever kind of herb that you want. Then I'm gonna add some ground paprika and the mayo that I'm using, it's reduced fat, fat-free, with olive oil right there. And just use your judgment. Some people don't like it creamy. My husband loves it creamy. So I'm putting about 3 tablespoons of mayo. Sometimes him add a mayo again because he loves mayo on his. And that's it. That's his potato salad right there. It's your potato salad right there. Fast, easy, and simple. Alright guys, this is my gravy I'm gonna make. This is easy, fast, and simple in my microwave. I'm gonna show you how I do this one. Right? It's like 1, 2, 3 snaps. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my spaghetti sauce. Extra virgin olive oil. Then I add my ketchup. Barbecue sauce. Use any kind of barbecue sauce, but sauce where you like. Maple syrup. That is going to give it a little tang of sweetness to it. Seasoned salt, a little bit of salt and black pepper. And then you add your different kind of parsley and stuff that you need to put in it. Like your herbs, whatever you like. Then you add a cup of water. Mix it around real good. Alright, so that's it. You go ahead and you pop it in your microwave, and then you're going to have some perfect gravy. When you put it inside your microwave, it's going to thicken up, and so you're going to have some really good tasting, fast, quick and easy gravy in 1, 2, 3. And like I said guys, I use the parboiled rice for this. Okay, I love parboiled rice, so that's the rice that I use for this. The link will be down below to show you how to make your rice from scratch. And that is my fish right there, and the link will also be down below. So I hope you enjoyed my Sunday dinner.
Hello, baby, hello. Haven't seen your face for a while. Have you quit doing time for me, or are you just the same spoiled child? Hello, I said hello. Is this the only place you thought to go? Am I the only man you ever had, or am I just the last surviving friend that you know?
So that's it guys, out my kitchen you go. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. Fast, easy and simple Sunday dinner in my kitchen. Sunday dinner in my kitchen. Love you guys, and as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.